Hello guys, this is Aeshwarya and I'm a second year student of Law Center 2, Faculty of Law, Delhi University. As you are aware that the entrance for the year 2020 in Faculty of Law will start soon, and for that I'm here to request you to kindly join the DO entrance crash course which is organized by Meg ma'am and the entire team of teachers. Meg ma'am is organizing this crash course for last many years, and this crash course goes from 12 to 15 days. I've taken this course in the year 2018 and it was really helpful for me. At a very nominal fees, she provides all the relevant notes, and all the teachers make all the efforts to teach what is relevant for the examination, which is very helpful in clearing this examination. Even if you are someone who is preparing for this examination for quite some time now, this course would be helpful in doing all the final preparation and all the practices. And even if you are someone like me who had no idea about how to crack this examination, this course will still make a very good chances for you to enter the Faculty of Law. Hope you make the wise decision. Best of luck.